Hello friends, if you ride a motorbike then you will definitely notice one thing about the motorbike, that when we take a new motorbike that time its pickup is very high. But gradually as the bike gets old its pickup also gradually decreases. In such a situation, the question arises in the mind of many people that, why does this happen? So let us know why the pickup of the old bike gets reduced gradually. Some people think that, if the pickup of the motorbike is reduced then that bike is going to expire. Many times the bike does not get pickup appropriately, and the gears do not work properly and they get stuck in between. So let me tell you that, this is all due to the malfunction of the clutch plate of the vehicle. When slowly the clutch plate of motorbike deteriorates, the smoothness of the gear and pickup also starts to decrease. That's why the pickup of the old motorbike also decreases due to the malfunction of the clutch plates. It does not mean that the pickup of the vehicle has reduced then the motorbike is going expire. Apart from this, while riding the motorbike at high speed, one should not stop the motorbike suddenly by using the brake and clutch, but first try to slow the bike slightly and then use the clutch and brake, as well as if you want to change the speed of the motorbike, you must reduce the speed of the motorbike, because changing the speed of the gear can damage the clutch and gear. Apart from this, if you are riding the motorbike at a slow speed, do not use the brake first, rather use the brake after pressing the first clutch. Doing so, it does not affect the engine and clutch of the bike wrongly, so keep these things in mind while riding the bike. So now you must have been understood that why the pickup of the old bike is reduced. And at the same time we have learned here what things should be kept in mind while riding the bike, that will increase the life of the motorbike. If you are interested in such type of information then click on like button below this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you very much for watching this video.